how to remove the lock screen from an iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the lock screen on an iPhone so that you no longer have to enter a passcode to open it up and unlock it. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to turn off the lock screen on our iPhone, the first thing we need to do is open up the settings. Then once in the settings, scroll down and you just want to find Face ID and passcode. Now you'll need to unlock your phone here, so use Face ID or your passcode. Then once in here, scroll down and we just want to go to the bottom under Stolen Device Protection and select Turn Passcode Off. Now keep in mind this will disable certain things such as Face ID. Any Apple Pay cards or keys that you have will be removed. So go ahead and select Turn Off. You'll need to enter your Apple ID password, so go ahead and do that. Then once you enter your Apple ID password, select Turn Off in the top right. You'll then need to enter the passcode that was currently on your iPhone. So go ahead and do that. Give it some time to load. And then it will give you the option to turn off iCloud keychain, or you can keep it on. I'm just going to keep using it. And now, as you can see, it says turn on passcode. So if I lock my iPhone, I can unlock it by simply swiping up, and I don't have to enter a passcode on a lock screen. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.